Sorry for confusion. No showings until Friday 1/7 or Monday 1/9. This lovely solid brick home is ready for immediate occupancy. Offers 2 wooded and open rolling acres minutes from Route 7 for commuters. This property is close to everything, but is very private and nestled on a wonderful country road. Comcast High Speed Internet is here for those who work from home. From the large and welcoming front porch you'll enjoy the view of lush flowering trees and perennials as well as mature hardwoods. Bring your chickens to their new home too. The coop has a yard area as well. Everyone needs a workshop/storage building, and the large building here west/electricity has shelving, a workbench, and a garage door to roll in the mower. There is also another shed for bicycles and more. Come inside through the sparkling leaded doors into the modern remodeled living room with a brick fireplace. The kitchen has a glass backsplash, granite countertops, stainless appliances, crown molding and a new stainless farm sink. You'll find plenty of room for a nice-sized family table to sit around while enjoying family meals together, and you'll love the walk-in pantry. The space between the living room and kitchen is open for entertaining while in the kitchen. All electrical outlets have been replaced. There is a brick fireplace which is the focal point of the living room, as are the wonderful large side-by-side windows to enjoy the outdoors through. The main level has hardwood floors other than the full bathroom which has ceramic floors. The main level also has 2 nice-sized bedrooms. The remodeled lower level features the primary bedroom. The windows have been replaced in the home recently and are energy efficient. Besides the primary suite, the lower level has a room that would make a great office and a den with a stone fireplace. The fireplace has been redone. Bring lots of laundry to the oversized laundry room with plenty of cabinets. Open the door from there and you'll find a nice shelved area for